Imagine looking outside and the entire sky turns green. No filter, no joke. This is 100% real, and it's actually terrifying. It happens right before a massive storm rolls in. The clouds get thick, dark, and packed with rain and hail. Sunlight starts bouncing through all that water and ice like a weird natural filter. And that's when things get scary, because a green sky like this usually means a supercell storm is brewing. Meteorologists say it's one of nature's biggest red flags before a tornado touches down. So if you ever see the sky turn green, that's nature literally screaming, "Take cover now." Follow for more wild weather facts your brain didn't know it needed. Comment if you want to know about other wonders of the world.